Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe and watch the video. So here I have shown the ingredients that we will use in our face pack. So we are going to make an amazing Ubtan face pack. So here we are taking rice flour, multani matti. This was a block of it and I have soaked it overnight in some water. Here is Syed Ghani's Sandal Ubtan and I will review it in the end. And now here's Syed Ghani's Husni Yusuf. I heard really great reviews about this Husni Yusuf powder, so I thought to give it a try. And the last ingredient is Arke Gulab. So here I'm adding some sandal powder in 2 tablespoons of rice flour, and then I'm adding Husni Yusuf powder, which says that it is a powder of radiance. Now I will mix it and make it into a fine paste, and then add this multani matti and the powders that we have added. As you can see here, I think all of you know the benefits of multani matti, rice flour, Ubtan and Husni Yusuf powder. They are all very strong ingredients. Rose water smooths your skin, it hydrates your skin, and it makes your skin even toned. Syed Ghani's Sandal Ubtan contains maize flour, turmeric powder, orange peel, sesame oil and perfume. All of these ingredients are known for beauty and have strong effects on skin. So now I have made the paste, as you can see the consistency, and now I will apply it on my face, and then you can compare yourself in the video that does it affect my skin tone or not. So you have to apply it generously on your face using a brush, and then you have to leave it to dry for 30 minutes. You can repeat this procedure for 3 to 4 times a week. For the first time or 2 times in a week, you can rub it off so that it exfoliates your skin, and later you can just simply wash it with water. So now, as you can see, my skin looks much cleaner, brighter, and my skin is also glowing after I applied this mud mask pack. I rubbed it in circular motion so that it can exfoliate some of the dead cells on my skin, and now it is giving a glow. You cannot expect great results in the first try because obviously everything takes these DIY remedies take time. You should do it for at least 1 month and then expect a very good result. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more amazing videos. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care. Bye.